Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome, how are you today? Today I want to use these beautiful colors and we're going to make 2 blooms in a garden. So let's look at our colors. We're using Amsterdam Persian Rose and this is a Liquitex Fluorescent Pink. Then we have Golden's Pthalo Green, the blue shade. We have Mint Green Aqua Flash plus a little bit Pearl White. For our leaves, we have Deco Arts Peridot, and this is a custom green. Now for my cell activator for the leaves, I'll be using Paynes Gray. And for my flowers, I'm gonna try, it's like a very dark turquoise. All right, so let's open the bottles. And my pillow paint is Glidden's Essentials, white and eggshell. Okay, so my canvas. I think this is a 10 by 14, maybe. I put my push pins on the bottom, but so it doesn't fly off. I'm gonna put a little paint here. Hopefully get it sticky so it doesn't fly off. All right, let's go ahead and put down our pillow paint. All right, I think that's good. So I'm gonna start with our color puddles. We're gonna start off with Amsterdam Persian Rose, right here. I just made yesterday 12 by 24, so now I have to remember to go smaller in my puddles. This is Fluorescent Pink by something here. By Liquitex. Oh, I should make this one too. And then we have Golden's Pthalo Green, the blue shade. There's 2 different shades they have. This is the blue shade. And then we have Mint Green, Aqua Flash plus Pearl White. There we go. All right, that's our colors. Now I'm not going to add the cell activator yet. I'm going to add my leaves. And I didn't want too, I wanted more of this color here, the Peridot green. The first one was just a custom color, but it is darker. And all right, now I will add my Paynes Gray black cell activator to these. I do it right at the corner, the inside. All right, I'm going to be using the world's smallest little blower. go. Okay, one last before we get on the flowers. Now, cell activator here will be a very dark turquoise. Whoops, that was a lot. Oh, and that's a bubble. That's a big bubble. Oh, another. Okay. That's how it wants to play. There we go. All right, let's do the next one. All righty, pretty colors. All right, now I'm gonna do a little bit skewer work, try to make the petals. I'm wiping off my skewer after each one. I wonder if I can, let me get a straw, blow this out a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Now I can come in here. All right, let's work on this one. Okay, a little bit of this. On the bigger leaves here, I won't quite, only come out a little bit here. Okay, that's pretty. And now when I spin it out, it's gonna lighten up, and we'll see what happens. Okay, let me move this over a little bit so I don't get full of paint. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. My leaves, the skewer work on the leaves that I like to do. Almost forgot that. Okay. Make sure I'm even here. Okay, let's spin now. Pretty, pretty. Very pretty. I want to get a little bit of that kind of off. Oh, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so this had a lot of white here, and so I kind of wanted that, some of that to come off. All right, colors are pretty. The cells in here are peacock cells, which mean that there's colors within colors. Okay, my friends, I think I'm going to do this one again. I'm going to maybe do the opposite of, I think instead of the bright pink, I'm going to use a different pink. And we'll try. I'll get you down for a close-up. God bless you.